Artist named Jay Martin. He did it. He did it for me like about 6-7 months ago. And
you fell on it, yeah?
No, that's just me banging on my hip.
Let me see that. Let me get it. See that, man. Oh yeah. This is hot, man.
It's actually my tattoos.
Really?
Yeah, those are my tattoos.
Right here?
That's me, yeah.
I know, man. Yeah, man. Look at fucking, man. You see?
And then you got the beer, the bottle opener in the back. Yeah, don't sleep on the bottle opener. In case you're ever in the bar and you can be like, oh, hold up, I got that.
Oh, right here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's a bottle opener.
Yeah, man. I got a can opener.
You got to be ready for anything, man. You never know.
Yeah.
You know? I need to get a new lining. My lining's all coming out and shit.
Man, you see it? Man, look at that. That's a beauty bike, man.
I like it. I had to go with the.
It's really. I said, it's really heavy duty, man.
Yeah.
I have a 1 bike for every single day.
You do?
Plus 3 more, just in case.
Really?
I got 11 bikes.
So tonight, I see you got the nice Cannondale out. Nice.
Campagnolo.
Campagnolo components. Hold up, for y'all who don't know, Campagnolo is the shizndiesel. That's probably like a 350. How much is that crankset right there?
Wow, just this?
No, the crankset.
Oh, like $400.
Yeah, about $400, 350, 400.
Like
Oh, the Campy brakes. Oh man, he got the real stuff right here, folks. This is not just look-alike.
It's my babies.
I met him last night at the Ride with No Name. He had a completely different bike. Hold up, we got to jump rope. I'm sorry. I got to keep it moving, folks. I got to strap the helmet on my hip. I'll be back.